The most spiritually gifted women are anxiously attached, and there is a very specific reason for that. It's called limerence. Limerence is not a crush, it's really not just liking someone. Limerence is when another person takes over your entire life and your entire nervous system. Like, you cannot sleep without thinking of them. You check your phone every 5 minutes. You replay every conversation that you've ever had with them. You're looking for hidden meaning. You love it when they give you attention, and you literally die when they don't. So why does this happen to the most spiritually gifted women specifically? Because limerence is not an ordinary romantic experience. It is a sacral chakra wound expressing itself through romantic obsession. The sacral chakra is your energetic center of feeling and desire and how you relate to yourself and others. And it's also how you receive love. So when it is wounded from early on, this creates an insatiable hunger for external validation. You're obsessed for someone outside of you to finally make you feel chosen, seen, and worthy of love. And when someone comes along and activates that hunger, even for a short period of time, your sacral chakra latches on. This is why you can't stop thinking about them, and that is why logic just doesn't work in this situation, because your friends can sit down with you and list every single red flag, and you're still going to be weak in the knees for this person, right? Because this is not happening in your mind. It is literally happening in your body and your entire energy field. And spiritually gifted women experience this more intensely because our capacity to feel is enormous. Your sacral chakra, when it's activated, even by the wrong person, it goes all in. You don't do anything halfway. And limerence is just that depth of feeling that has nowhere to go. But when the intensity of what you feel for this person, who doesn't even deserve you, by the way, it gets directed to your purpose, or it gets directed inward towards yourself and your healing and your own gifts. Women who have experienced the most intense limerence can come on the other side as one of the most magnetic, most creatively alive, and energetically powerful women that you will ever meet, because they learn to take all of that feeling and energy that they gave to others to themselves. That is what the healing journey is all about. It's not about getting over them. It's not about finding someone new, but it's learning how to alchemize all of that energy that you've given outwards to yourself. And this is rooted in your sacral chakra. So you are not crazy for losing your mind over someone who never deserved you. You are just a deeply and spiritually gifted woman with a sacral chakra wound that needs to be healed. And when you know what to do with all this sacral chakra energy that has been directed into the wrong purpose or the wrong person, you will become so powerful at the end of this.